Hello my people, if you want to keep your window very dry, remove all those condensation during winter. Do this and your window will be so dry and clean. It's really getting cold now, and if you happen to wake up in the morning and you find this condensation on your window because it's really cold now, do this. So get a humidifier. Get a humidifier. It will help you to collect all the water in the house. So this is it. You can see it's empty now. It is empty right now. It is empty. So all you need to do, just cover it like this and then just fix it here. Fix it. All you need to do, turn it on. You just turn it on, and after 1 or 2 hours, come back and you will see all the water that will be collected, and just repeat it and you will see how your glass will be so clean without any water. So few hours later you come back, you can see the window is all dry and clean. You can see no water anymore. Now let's check it now. So once the water is full, the humidifier will stop. So right now let's check. Oh my God, it's full, guys. Look at it. Look at water. Look at the water. Look at the water that it has collected. Did you see that? Look at all the water it has collected. That's it. So all you need to do, you just empty it. You go and empty it. You see? So you just need to go and pour that out. So you can see now it's empty. And then we're gonna put it back. See? Then you just turn it back again. And it will keep collecting the water. So any water in the building, it will collect it and your house will be dry. So we do this especially during winter. During winter, it's really cold. Even though there's insulation in the house, but during winter, you wake up in the morning, you see all this condensation that has built over the night. So do this. All you need to do is to get a humidifier. That will solve your problem. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, thank you so much. Before a lot of people will come and say, oh my God, she's bragging that she got a humidifier.